Hello. How are you today? How are you doing? I just fed my little forest babies, and it's such a beautiful morning for me here. It's morning. Such a beautiful day. This beautiful tree here has such character. There's the moon. May this day bring you sparkles of joy. May you find love. And may we be the change we want to see in this beautiful world. So whatever you want to see more of, if it's love, kindness, peace, may we bring that to ourselves and others. I love you. I'm so happy you're on this planet. Be well.